two, two, two. There, there, there. Your. What is going on with the English language? Hey friends, did you know that in English some words sound exactly the same but mean completely different things? Like for example, all these words. Oof, these are called homophones. Homophones. And they can be super confusing, especially if you're learning English. But don't worry. I'll teach you 10 everyday homophones right now that you'll hear all the time in the US. Let's go. Hello. Welcome. I'm Teacher Shelby, and this is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Let's get started with our first set of homophones. I'll give you a super quick explanation of what each word means here, and I'll give you an example sentence for each word too, so you can see it in context. También daré una explicación súper rápida para mis hispanohablantes aquí. Here we go. Homophones number 1, two, two, two. Oh my goodness. They all sound like two. Two, right? The first one is the number 2, el número dos. Two. I have 2 dogs. That's not true. I'm 100% a cat person. Mi gatito Benito. 2, this is a preposition we use for direction or purpose. Una preposición para dirección o propósito. I'm going to the store. Or to, it means also or excessively. Like, significa también o demasiado. Like me too or I'm too tired. Homophones number 2, there. There shows a place. Muestra un lugar. Allí. There is my phone. It's over there. There shows that something belongs to them. Indica posesión. Algo les pertenece a ellos. Su. That is their car. Their, a contraction, short for they are. Una contracción de they are. Ellos son o ellos están. They're happy. They are happy. They're happy. Number 3, your. Your shows possession. Indica que algo es tuyo. Tú. Your jacket is nice. Or your, another contraction, short for you are. Contracción de you are. Tú eres o tú estás. You're my best friend. You are my best friend. You're my best friend. Number 4, hear. Hear is to listen, right? Escuchar. I can hear music, hear a location or a place, un lugar o una ubicación. Aquí, right? Here. I'm here in my office. Number 5, see. Sea is the ocean, el mar. I love swimming in the sea. Or see, to use your eyes, to look, es mirar o ver. I see you. Number 6, write. Write, to put words on paper, escribir. I write in my journal. Write means correct, significa correcto, or it can refer to the direction, como derecha, right? You are right or turn to the right. Number 7, pair, pair. Pair is two of something. Dos cosas que van juntas, un par. A pair of shoes. Or pear is a sweet fruit, una fruta dulce, pera. I ate a pear. Number 8, bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. If you know the song from NSYNC. Buy is to purchase something, comprar algo. I want to buy a new phone. Buy shows who did something, indica quién hizo algo, or you passed something o pasaste algo, de o a veces por en español, right? The book is by my teacher, or I went by the store. This is a tricky preposition that can mean a lot of different things. Sorry. Bye is a way to say goodbye, una forma de decir adiós. Bye. See you tomorrow. Number 9, 1, 1. 1 is the number 1, el número uno. I have one super cute pet cat. I love him. 1 is the past tense of the verb win. El pasado del verbo ganar. She won the game. Okay, our last one, number 10, meet, meet. Meet is to get to know someone for the first time, conocer a alguien por primera vez, or to make plans to spend with someone, like a friend, o hacer planes para pasar con alguien, pasar tiempo con un amigo, una amiga, right? Nice to meet you, or let's meet for a coffee. Meat is food from animals, carne, de animales, right? I don't eat meat. I'm vegetarian. That's not true. I do eat meat. Wow, awesome job. Woohoo! You now know 10 homophones that can be tricky and confusing even for native speakers. Do you know any more words that sound the same in English, but they have different meanings? There are a lot more, I promise. Share them in the comments if you want. And if this video helped you, give this video a like or subscribe to my channel. We have new English lessons every Friday. Share it with a friend that's learning English too. I'll see you next time. Bye.